Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. State tourism officials in La Paz and Los Cabos have spearheaded an initiative to give tourism police a better command of English. The pandemic and its resulting drop in tourism numbers prompted the state to rethink what it needed to do to be competitive in the hospitality sector, said Luis Humberto Araiza López, Secretary of Tourism for Baja California Sur. His department is working with the Baja California Sur Autonomous University to offer free professional development classes in English to the tourism police force members in Los Cabos and La Paz. The initiative is being partly paid for by the U.S. Consulate General in Tijuana, which supported the cost of these classes, teaching materials, and also teacher training in recognition that the state is one of the biggest travel destinations for U.S. citizens, and in recognition of the importance of Mexican law enforcement authorities having a good command of the English language in these tourist destinations. Consul General Saarnio and Araiza met last week to discuss what Baja California Sur is doing to implement health protocols to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Victor George Flores, Secretary of Health for Baja California Sur, said that both the people of Baja California Sur and the people of Mexico are fortunate to have the support of Mexico's Navy. This was said during the commemorative ceremony in observance of the Day of the Mexican Navy. Secretary George Flores added that Mexico's Secretary of the Navy, CEMAR for its acronym in Spanish, is a loyal protector of the life and health of the civilian population in both the state and the nation. The Secretary of Health was at the ceremony in representation of Governor Carlos Mendoza Davis. During the ceremony, Dr. George Flores added that the Navy has actively contributed to the actions carried out in Baja California Sur, both to control COVID as well as to guarantee timely hospital care for people with complications associated with this infectious disease. With its experience and knowledge, the Secretary of the Navy has enriched the decisions made in the State Health Safety Committee to face this health challenge, in which Baja California Sur currently registers encouraging indicators, such as the lowest fatality rate in Mexico and one of the lowest percentages of hospital occupancy as a result of the home medical monitoring program, added the Secretary of Health. Due to the increase in traffic on the Transpeninsular Highway, vehicle accidents have increased in the past weeks, which is why the National Guard Highway Safety Division continues to apply heavy penalties for driving at excess speed or for the use of electronic devices while driving. The fines can be of more than 3,400 pesos, that is approximately $180, and fines can be compounded, explained Isidro Quintero Corona, head of the National Guard Highway Safety Division. Therefore, he asked all drivers to be attentive to the wheel and, above all, respect the established speed limits in order to avoid accidents and fines. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great evening, and remember to tune in on Sunday for another edition of Cabomilnews and Community Update.